In this video, I will show you how to delete all liked videos on TikTok. First, launch open the TikTok app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, look for the heart tab and select that. If you want to remove any of this, you can simply tap on it, then tap on this heart icon again. Once that is done, head back and that video should be removed from your liked list. TikTok currently does not provide an option to delete all liked videos at once. If you have hundreds or thousands of liked videos, removing them one by one can take a lot of time. If your goal is to hide your liked videos instead of deleting them, then you can simply tap on the three lines at the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll down and get to the liked videos option, tap on it. Now set this to only you. Now head back. In this way, your liked videos will be hidden. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.